Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. We're doing a shop update. It's been a while since our last shop update video. Been out here doing some live streams, cleaning up, organizing, and I think we got the shop ready to go to work on some projects in the house, also to get back into turning some projects, and just anything else we want to create out here. So let's take a look. Biggest change is we cleaned off this whole entire workbench in stream the other day. Got it ready to go and picked up our trim boards that we're gonna need for this project in the house. So that's the first step. We've also dug out the table saw that's not ours, just waiting for it to be picked up and taken out of here. We have also opened up the path over here, so we're not stepping on logs and 2x4s anymore. That gives us a clean path right into the lathe area. So we added our stand, which you can watch a video for the extension. We got all of the lathe set up now, so it's ready to go. And then we added our, I think this was in the last video, we added our shelves. But we also went ahead, added some tool storage on the wall, and used our holders that we bought and did a video on. And they're starting to be used and mounted up there. Got our sharpening station and our bandsaw all ready to go. And then this is the corner of chaos. This corner will probably be like this for a while, as it has an old bandsaw over there, some music equipment, a couple bikes that we need to get rid of, and all of our wood storage up there, and all of our liquid storage. So it's a pain whenever we have to get something out. It's starting to feel nice in here again. We're in June. That's how long this process has taken. We started back, I want to say September is when we first started doing the shop organization updates. And we're still not done. We still got to paint the walls. We still got to put stuff on the ceiling, figure out something for the floor, those kind of things. They'll come as we go, but I think now we're actually back to a working shop to where I don't feel like there's so much clutter around. It's nice getting rid of things. So this is just a quick update. Just wanted to show you where we're at on the shop. We will continue to be turning here. Probably gonna do a lot more live streams. That's kind of fun, interacting with people as you stop by, while also recording videos. So it's kind of a behind the scenes look at, you know, moving the cameras and what we do turning. So just trying to get some of that stuff set up and organized. And then we're also gonna start on stream here soon the 2025 summer bottle opener collection. Did pretty well last year. Sold all of our 2024 bottle openers in our Etsy store. So we'll have that back up and running when those are ready to go. But the blocks that we're gonna use are right there. Might actually do a couple more. I saw when I was taking out the logs that were on the floor over here, saw a couple black walnut branches that may or may not work well for a bottle opener. We'll just see how they react once we turn them down round. But yeah, other than that, thanks for checking this out. We'll keep this update. If you have any ideas, suggestions of what you want to see in the shop, any layout changes, anything, any cool, fun things for storage on the walls, that kind of stuff, leave a comment below. I'd like to hear from you. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for coming by.